check it out. I even commented to the guy that was delivering this morning saying that we obviously haven't learned the value of smaller packages yet in South Africa, but this is an unnecessarily large box for this product. Right, so getting into the box, some stuffing, and there it is, the Zhiyun Smooth 4. This is not the first Zhiyun product I've ordered before. I must say I do believe it's a bit smaller as far as the box is concerned than the previous one. Comes in the same watertight plastic factory seal, which is fantastic. Just gives you that peace of mind that your product isn't being tampered with. And yeah, so let's get into that. It comes in this high density polystyrene case, which, yeah, you see these technology companies learning from each other all the time. So whether it's in the product itself or in the packaging, you always see that they're kind of learning from each other. So this is an idea that Zhiyun actually got again from DJI, where they come with these high density but then low cost, very sturdy and secure polystyrene molded packaging. And there it is, the Zhiyun Smooth 4. So this is just an unboxing so you can see what is all inside. Previously you used to get a little booklet. Now, okay, wait. Yeah, it's still a booklet. For some other reason I just assumed it was a CD because of the shape, but there it is. Smooth 4. Quick install guides. There we go. And this one is notice on Android compatibility. From the reviews and the videos that I've seen, I've seen that the guys, the Apple people are loving this product because of the app working so well together with this hardware and the software of their phones. So that's quite a bonus for the Apple people. But I do believe that as the firmware gets updated, that the products actually start to communicate better with the Android software and hardware as well. Yeah, so basically it is what it is. Normally it does have a little bit of battery in it. Wow, it's really nice and snug in the box here, which is fantastic. I like that. I've heard people complaining about the orientation of this of the handset, like this joystick part, in that it was built wide and not very deep, and they would have preferred it the other way around. Yeah, okay, fine, I get what they're saying, but it still fits really comfortably into your hand. You're going to be using trigger, but then yeah, make the product your own, you know, kind of get some tape or whatever and bulk it up here for yourself as well. I mean, every person is different. Fantastic, nice quality feel on this jog wheel. I've seen a lot of people complaining that it falls off easily, so I'm going to try and see if I can give it a bit of a tug and a shake and a... Guys, come on. Wow, it's got a nice quality glide to it as well. It's not... I thought it would be clicky, like click, 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 click kind of thing, but it's actually really nice and smooth. Yeah, you're going to move your hand up a little bit so that you can get your finger to all of these product buttons and things here. Okay, so this jog wheel's got a bit of a click to it, but this one here is so smooth. Wow, that's fantastic. Pretty standard. It's got a nice build to it. It feels a bit more quality than before, than the Smooth Q. Although, listen, I must say I am a massive advocate for the Smooth Q. I have owned many of them. And not in a case that I've broken them and had to buy new ones, but just that I loved it so much that I promoted it so much that I ended up selling it to the people that I was, you know, showing the product to, and then I ended up just kept replacing my own one, you know. So yeah, I really do love Zhiyun's products. I've owned many of them, and yeah, I must say I'm quite a big advocate for them, or promoting their product. What I do like about this Smooth 4 is that it came with this tripod, and okay, it's a plastic, but it's got a nice quality feel to it. It's got nice rubber feet underneath, and then obviously your 1/4 inch screw, which will plug into the bottom, which is something that Zhiyun got right from the start, which was fantastic. Yeah, so it's actually like made for the product, which is just fantastic. You know, that they start giving the accessories with, which is just brilliant. Type C USB charging cable, in the same Zhiyun style quality cable, also very nice. I've never had any of them pack up on me before, and yeah, look guys, I can't complain. I've seen people, you know, you get your guys that just love to complain about products, and if anything else, I like the fact that they actually give DJI a run for their money. Zhiyun started as this kind of no-name brand technology company, and you know, they just stepped into the market right at the beginning with like their A game, and they've really maintained that. And I mean, at the price point that this is coming in here in South Africa, we're getting it a little bit cheaper than the international market. I've done some research and had a look at different online sites that are selling this product, and I got it for 1,995 Rand, which translates to about it's about $110 at this stage, and it's really competitive because it's even cheaper than what it is overseas. I see on Amazon they're going for about $139, and you know, for me to order the product from Amazon and then still have it shipped to me, I'll probably end up paying about 2.5 to 2.7 in South African Rand, which translates to about 180, almost $190. So I have checked that out to see, because the Smooth Qs I used to buy from an online site, which you'll see in my previous videos. But yeah, so you know, for the international market, I'll give you links to that other site because it will be cheaper for you to get it from those sites than it will be for us here in South Africa. We actually can't even order from those sites anymore. They don't support the DHL shipping anymore to South Africa. So for international buyers, I would give you the affiliate link for the Smooth 4 that's coming directly from China, and those you should land at your door at about $139, maybe a little bit cheaper. I'll see if I can find you a coupon or a discount code, which you'll also find in the comment section below. But yeah, I just wanted to share this unboxing with you, so you can see everything that comes in this product. I love the packaging. I love that they're learning from each other, DJI and Zhiyun, and they just, you know, it's like a family warfare, you know. This one's coming up with the next thing, and it's really just like a keeping up with the Johnsons kind of thing here. And at the price point, $139 in South Africa, we can land them at just under 2,000 Rand. And you know, for the amount of gimbal you get for your money, it's just absolutely phenomenal. So I'm very excited to pair this up with my iPhone 7 Plus, and just to get out there and make some videos. So yeah, that's it. That's the unboxing of the Zhiyun Smooth 4, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching.